How's your piggy bank? Is that so heavy? Is that so heavy now? Oh no!
There's command coins.
Is it full already? May I see? You see? Oh, look at Aegon. Look at. Oh, not yet.
There's coins.
Yes, there's coin inside. You put. So it's not yet full. You need more coins to full it. Your piggy bank is still hungry. And look at. What happened to the ear? Ear.
Mommy.
Mm.
We are coin, please. Coin.
Need more coin?
Yes, please.
You want more coin?
Please.
You want to save more?
Yes. The small. Small is small. Money.
Wow.
What is?
It's A. Messi? I think it's A. 5 peso?
It's 5 peso.
Okay. You see? How about 10 peso? Where's the 10 peso? It's a 5 peso. 5 peso.
Oh, I draw in the bed. 5 peso.
How about that one?
10 peso.
It's 10 peso.
What? Oh, is that?
Oh, it's full. Is that full already?
Oh, what's that? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Oh.
It's full already. Shake it. Very good. Oh, you save money with piggy bank. Okay, may I see your piggy bank? Is that full? Oh, what? May I see the sticker? Wow, there's a rainbow sticker. Okay.
Get it?
You get it like this. So, you want to put a sticker in your piggy bank. Okay.
Oh, get the stickers! Wow!
Wow.
It's windy! Whoa! It's windy! Wow!
What sticker do you want?
I like the regular sticker.
You want a rainbow sticker to put in your piggy bank, okay? I will help you to remove it. Like this, okay?
Okay.
Here.
Yay!
Okay? Wow.
Oh no, one more. It's one window.
So what do you want?
The star.
The star. May I see the star? Yeah, that one. Okay?
This. Oh, so ugly. It's like what is inside with the superhero.
You see?
It's like his superhero piggy bank.
It's like superhero piggy bank? Oh, yeah. It's look like superhero
Piggy bank.
piggy bank.
And just going round.
Welcome to
Just going round.
today. What are we going to do?
Cut the piggy bank. Piggy bank.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. I have a big scissor, the small scissor.
We need a big scissor. Daddy will help you. We'll cut it, okay?
Not for hands, okay?
Okay, be careful.
Too sharp, okay? Wow! It's cracking! It's cracking! This is cracking. It's cracking up and down. Crush, crush.
So many coins, and there's a not only coin. What is that?
Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck.
Stuck, Daddy.
It's stuck, Mom. Wow. Wow. Oh.
Oh, what is that? What is inside? A coin and
And the button. And the button.
button? What else? There's a numbers.
Oh,
And there's a letters.
it's stuck. It's stuck.
Oh, so many coins. Can we count it?
It's
So many.
yeah,
Is that a what is that? It's not a coin. It's a bread label. It's a bread label. Look at. Oh, may I see?
20.
There's still inside.
No, it's empty.
It's already empty.
Yes.
Take this.
One.
We will count it. May I see the gold coin?
Golden. Ano? And gold. I missed it. The gold coin. I missed it. Wow, so many goldens. There's also many goldens. So many. It was counting at the Big Tower.
Yeah.
Let's go to Google. Wow! Wow! So many coins. Here we go, some coins. Wow, some coins. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a coin.
That is not a coin.
Wow, wow, wow.
So, what do you want to buy for your coins? For your money?
More toys.
What toys do you want to buy?
I like this eggs and rice, 10
Egg surprise? Okay.
Ano? Ano? Sige na!
Wow, you got 540 pesos. Okay.
Bye! Like the watching can become short and scratch. They can start to move. When you get some of the coins, you can crush all the coins. And then watch it when you get the surprise, cousins, and the go splash, smash, smash. Bye! Wow! 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 What's your wow? It's so smelly. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And just grab.